Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu states, one day Hazrat Gabriel alayhi salam was sitting along with the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam. All of a sudden, Allah's apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam heard a sound above him. So he sallallahu alayhi wasallam raised his head. Hazrat Gabriel alayhi salam whereupon said, it is a gate of the heaven which has been opened only today and had never been opened before this day. Then an angel descended through it. Hazrat Gabriel alayhi salam thereupon said, this angel who has descended to the earth had never been descended before this day. That angel submitted salutation and said, receive the glad tidings of two lights which have been granted to you and had not been granted to any of the Prophet alayhi salam before you. One is chapter Fatiha and the other is the last part of the chapter, the cow. Whatever of their letters you recite, you will be given its requital. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 1874.